Hello YouTube, I'm David with the David West channel. Today let me show you how to polish up the bottom of this Pepsi can using this Blue Magic metal polish cream, but any polishing cream will work, to make a solar igniter. Now this isn't something that you can do in a survival situation. You're not going to be able to find a can and then find a polishing agent out in nature that can shine it up like what we're going to do today. People will tell you that you can use a chocolate bar, you can use toothpaste, you can use fine ash. It does not work. They might have used those polishing agents to get it somewhat shiny, to ignite something that's jet black, charred punkwood, some char cloth, but it would never ignite something like this, bracket fungus. So that's what I want to show you today. Let's get you a little bit closer. And you're just going to polish it just like anything else. Use a paper towel, get a little dab of it, and go ahead and start polishing until it turns black, and then take and buff it out with a clean part of the paper towel. I like to do it twice to get the right kind of a mirror finish on there. Let me show you. Let's go ahead and buff that out. And you want to keep on buffing until you don't see any more black on the paper towel. Now that is pretty shiny. We're going to buff it out. We're going to polish it and buff it out one more time. That's what we're looking for. Now let's go ahead and try it out on the fungus. Find it on your finger first. Right there. Let me set you back up over here, and we'll go ahead and make a fire. Always wear your shades when doing solar experiments. If you choose to do it with reading glasses on like I do it at your own risk. And I'll put this in there with it. All right, y'all, do me a favor. Before you leave my channel, please subscribe, hit the notification bell, and in that drop-down list, select all. And do give the video a like. I appreciate you joining me on this one. We'll catch you on the next one. Let me make sure that you're turned up enough. That was the United States Post Office. We'll catch you on the next one.